Hello children, how are you all? Fine, that's great to know. So, in our earlier class, we had studied about pronouns. I hope it was clear to you and you have revised them. Yes? Today I have got something with me. Do you see here? What is this? A book. Yes, it's a book. But what kind of book is it? It's a big book, right? Okay. There is one more book with me. It's a book, right? But what kind of book it is? It is a small book. Yes, children? Now, it's book only. Small book, big book. Okay, now, today we are going to learn something which will describe a person, place, animal, thing or whatever you want to speak about. And what do we call such describing words? They are known as adjectives. What are they known as? Adjectives. Shall we start? Are you all ready? Anil, Reena, Sunita, all in the class? Be alert and attentive. Let's start. What is an adjective? As I said earlier, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. You all know what is a noun? Names, right? And pronoun are the words that we use in place of nouns. Good. Let's go further. Okay. Now you can see. Yes. Renu, can you tell me? What can you see here? Yes. A man. Yes, he is a man. But Renu, what kind of man he is? An old man. Okay. Neha, what can you see? A tree. Yes, but it is a tall tree. Right? Yes. A man, he is a fat man. And a girl, she is a thin girl. So, all these pictures are in front of you and they are talking about the people, the tree. So, and they are having a particular word which is a describing word. Is it clear, class? Yes? Good. Adjectives. Again, let's revise. What is adjective? An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Let's see little bit more. Examples. An adjective answers what kind. If there is a dog, it's playing, is happy, enjoying. So, we will tell it's a happy dog. Yes. Then, which one? The tired boy. There are so many children, you all are there in the class. There are so many boys and girls in the class. But if I see somebody, go and call that boy. Miss, which boy shall I call? The tired boy. Yes. And how many? 7 girls. There are so many girls, but how many girls we are calling? 7 girls. Is it getting clearer? Better? Are you all able to understand? Yes or no? Okay, good. Let's see further. Same way, children, we can use adjectives to compare also. Yes, if there are 2 of you sitting together or 2 of you are playing together, you can compare also. Like for example, he looks sad, right? Look at him, he's little bit crying, right? So, he is sad, but she is happy. Yes, she is happy. You can see and you can come to know. Same way, Rahul is strong, but Anil is weak. Why? Because he is looking tired. And to express that he is tired, you use the word weak. Okay, now something which we all like. Different kinds of pencils. Yes. So, you can see there is something written here. This is, what is it, children? It is the price of the pens. One is of 10 rupees and one is of 35 rupees. Let us compare. Why 10 and why 35? It is showing whether which pencil is dear, means expensive, and which one is cheap. So, you can tell. Yes, Rohan, please tell me, which one will you select? A cheap one or a dear one? Okay, tell me which one is cheap. This one is cheap and this one is dear, right? Dear means expensive. Yes. Now, a little bit help, a little bit clarification whether you all have understood or not from you all. Okay. Yes. Yes, Ritu, please tell me. Which will be the adjective in this sentence? America is a rich country. Yes, America is a rich country. So, which is the adjective here? How can you describe America? By rich, right? So, you are going to underline in your textbooks rich. That is the adjective, right? Clear? Akbar is a great king. We are emphasizing on great. Akbar is a king. All of you know, I know, we all know. But what kind of king he is? He is a great king. So, we underline great. Yes? Same way, the school has a large playground. All the schools have playground, but our school has a large playground. Yes? So, you underline the word large. It is an adjective. Govind is a dear friend of mine. He is a dear friend. So, this shows what kind of friend. So, dear. He told us a funny story. There was a storytelling, and Rohan told us a funny story. So, what kind of story? What is the adjective here? Funny. Okay. Okay. Now, let's go to the next sentence. Ready? Yes? Okay. A blind man was walking along the busy street. Now, there are two adjectives here. Who can find out? Yes, Renu, come on. Yes. A blind man. What kind of man he is? Blind. So, underline blind. Walking along the street. But which type of street it is? Yes, it's a busy street. So, underline busy. There is an interesting program on channel 608 tonight. There is an which kind of program? We like to watch programs. Yes, everyone. And so, when there are programs, we keep in mind that there is an interesting program. So, we will underline interesting. Then, it is usually difficult to learn a new language. What kind of language are we going to learn, or how when it becomes difficult? When we are talking about a new language. So, underline new. Neha is an intelligent girl. There is a girl in our class. Yes, Neha. Yes, Neha, please stand up. Yes. Okay, what kind of girl is Neha? Everyone? Yes, she is an intelligent girl. So, you are going to underline the adjective intelligent. Yes, there are 9 books on the table. There are so many books? No. How many books are there on the table, children? 9. So, here the number 9 talks about the books on the table, and that is your adjective. Okay? Is it clear, children? Are you all following what we learned today? Okay. Please revise the chapter once again at your home. Bye-bye. Thank you.